Oh, all of you came? Would you like to meet my friends?
Yes, I'm WhatsApp. Whole world is in my custody. Child, teenagers, elders, all are my fans.
My name is Google. I know everything, those that even our parents don't. I'm the king of this world. King, I must say.
I'm Instagram. I have made the young people lunatic. Him, her, him.
I'm TikTok. Children, film stars, politicians, nobody can stand against me.
You know me? I am Facebook. The social media
Oh
trend
dear,
started.
what's this? Why are you on the phone all day? Chatting. You drive me mad. I'm not wasting my time, Mom. You don't know anything. By sitting in this room, I can see the whole world. This is not a mobile. This is the window to the world.
Why are you after my daughter? She's a new gen girl. She won't do anything wrong. Don't worry, she's my daughter. My daughter.
Oh, even God can't stop you. Thank you, Papa. You are so sweet. My online friends are waiting for me. Bye. Oh my God! Somebody has hacked my ID. My future is ruined.
Hey, innocent girl, you are completely trapped in my net. Don't take God's name. Where I am, even God can't be there. Who are you? Who I am? That doesn't matter. You are my prey, my new prey.
My dear, what happened? Are you okay? Nothing, Mom. It's just a rat. You scared me. Go and sleep. Don't harass me. I beg you. Leave me alone. Please. I beg you.
I love mistakes. I am waiting for somebody to make mistakes. When someone makes mistakes, I don't forgive them. They have already been trapped in my net. Now slowly come into my net and your life is over.
You don't know my father. He will put you in jail.
Jail and me? No one can touch me. Your life is over.
What happened, dear? What are you staring at? Please call the doctor.
Doctor, please come quick. I don't know what's happening to my daughter.
One more praise. You have 5,000 friends on TikTok, but nobody can save you from me.
We are superpower! See, all this happened due to mobile use. I always told you, but you said she is a new gen girl.
No need to gloat, okay? You don't know if it's because of mobile use or not.
Who says it didn't happen because of mobile use? Nowadays, many children are addicted to mobile phones, losing their childhood in the process. Don't worry, this happened because of excess use of social media. Right now, she needs your support and love. Please motivate her so that she can spend more time with her real friends. By this, she can recover faster.
Thank you, doctor.